Eating healthy doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or spending hours in the kitchen. Cooking diet-friendly foods can be a delicious, satisfying, and nourishing experience, filled with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the joy of knowing you're taking care of your body. Whether your goal is weight loss, better energy, or simply maintaining a balanced lifestyle, the key is to focus on whole ingredients, mindful preparation, and creative substitutions that make every meal enjoyable. Let's begin with the foundation of any healthy dish: fresh, minimally processed ingredients. Vegetables should be the stars of your diet-friendly kitchen, offering a spectrum of nutrients and endless variety. Leafy greens, bell peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, and carrots can all be transformed into hearty salads, stir-fries, or roasted side dishes. Instead of drowning them in heavy dressings or sauces, try tossing them with a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of herbs for a burst of natural flavor. Lean proteins are another cornerstone of a balanced diet. Grilled chicken, turkey breast, tofu, and fish like salmon or cod offer satisfying texture and essential nutrients without excess calories. Marinating proteins in citrus juices, garlic, ginger, or spices can infuse them with bold flavors without the need for added fats. Baking, grilling, poaching, or steaming are all cooking methods that preserve flavor while keeping calorie counts low. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, barley, and farro are excellent alternatives to their refined counterparts. They provide sustained energy, fiber, and a pleasing chewiness that's perfect for salads, bowls, or as a base for stir-fries. Cooking whole grains in low-sodium broth, adding a bay leaf, or stirring in fresh herbs at the end can make them even more appealing. When it comes to snacks and sides, consider swapping out processed options for homemade choices. For example, roasting chickpeas with a sprinkle of paprika and sea salt creates a crunchy, protein-packed snack. Sliced cucumbers, carrots, and bell peppers dipped in hummus or Greek yogurt-based dips are refreshing and filling choices. Sauces and dressings are often hidden sources of calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Making your own at home allows you to control exactly what goes in. Whisk together Greek yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and chopped dill for a creamy, tangy sauce that pairs perfectly with fish or chicken. Or blend ripe avocados with lime juice, cilantro, and a touch of jalapeno for a zesty, nutritious topping for salads or grain bowls. Portion control is also essential when cooking diet foods. Using smaller plates, measuring ingredients, and being mindful of serving sizes can help prevent overeating without leaving you feeling deprived. Eating slowly, savoring each bite, and listening to your hunger cues can make meals more satisfying. Don't forget about dessert. Healthy eating doesn't mean giving up sweets entirely. Fresh fruit can satisfy a sugar craving, especially when paired with a dollop of whipped Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Baking with whole wheat flour, unsweetened applesauce, or mashed bananas can reduce the need for added sugar and fat while still delivering delicious treats. Finally, the most important ingredient in any diet-friendly kitchen is enjoyment. Experiment with new recipes, try unfamiliar vegetables, and don't be afraid to season boldly. Cooking at home gives you the freedom to choose what goes into your food, tailor meals to your preferences, and celebrate the process of nourishing yourself. With a little creativity and a focus on whole, flavorful ingredients, diet foods can be just as crave-worthy as any comfort food, making healthy eating a delicious adventure.